I bet you didn't know you're siding with haters. Because hating is not something to be proud of. Time to get educated before you grab that protest sign. Let's talk colonialism. How can you colonize a land where your ancestors have been chilling for thousands of years? Spoiler alert, you can't. It's like trying to colonize your grandma's house. Now, why is it suddenly cool to support regimes that want to destroy your country and chain you up? It's like rooting for the villain in a superhero movie. So, who are you really fighting for? Because it sure isn't the good guys. Remember 9/11? Yeah, those are the kind of regimes you're siding with. Makes total sense, now, right? It's about annihilating a democracy. Yeah, and not in a fun, let's overthrow the student council, kind of way. If you're hate protesting against your own country that values freedom and democracy, what are you really fighting for? A participation trophy in ignorance? Is it trending to hate these days in Raqqa Kafaya? Because last I checked, fashion was about making statements, not hate bombs. Before you protest this school year, do some homework. Research. And copying your friends' notes doesn't count. Instead of hate protesting, join a club or help a senior. Trust me, it's way cooler than it sounds. Because if you're supporting hate, you're just a useful idiot being played. And nobody likes being the pawn in someone else's game. Get educated, stay smart, and think twice before you join a group that hates. Because knowledge is power, and ignorance is just, well, embarrassing.